All right, let's see what we got in here. Help me. Okay, Paddock. We're here.
Listen, during our attack, I was certain the beacons were somewhere inside that place. But that computer virus locked us out of every building before I could get to them. And until your bot deals with that, you won't get to them either.
You hear that, buddy? Our fate's in your tiny metal hands.
Look for a terminal to access in the lobby's security office.
There's our security terminal. Just need a way for Jack to access it. Jack, see if that vent will get you to the security office. Paddock, where do we start looking once we lift the virus?
The centrifuge building. The beacons were most likely hidden there.
Centrifuge. Got it.
But move quickly. A storm is headed your way.
Facility's activating, Delta.
See? I knew Jack could do it. No sweat.
Paddock, Jack cracked the virus. We're in.
And you now have full access to the entire facility.
That's gotta be the centrifuge.
And storm or no storm, we're heading over there.
That's not a good sign. Red Condor out there.
Yo, Bear, you lose a condor by any chance?
Several, in fact, while running weapons to a certain, desert-dwelling friend of mine. Keep whatever you find.
Okay. Solid copy. Get this open for me, Jack.
I can't believe Baird's secretly a gun runner.
You're having trouble believing Baird did something covert? Really?
Yeah, well, when you put it that way.
Looks like we're gonna have to go through that storm to get there. Let's make it quick.
Haven't run into any swarm yet. That's a fairly good sign.
Don't hold your breath. Between Paddock's Civil War and the weather, you could have crawled in anywhere.
Well, you pulled it. Look who's here.
You got a Scion! And it's got a Bastion! Come on, put these assholes down!
Squad's having some trouble, mate. Reboot it.
On my way!
We gotta deal with that Scion.
Frag out!
Okay, swarm assholes have been wiped clean. I'm aware of how that sounded.
Yeah, let's just move on.
Okay, I'd appreciate that.
Oh, hard shell spacesuits? How advanced was the UIR space program?
All right, so all the exits are blocked. Now what?
Jack, activate that crane.
Well, that didn't work.
Then we try another one. Jack, crane.
You got it!
Well, let's hope this one holds.
All right, Jack, let's do it again. I got him! Get in there, Jack.
That's the ticket.
Come on, we can get out this way. So, what's in here? least a few DBs weren't corrupted. Come on, this way. Look out! Almost there! Centrifuge building's dead ahead. Hang on, we got a straggler.
They're on us!
Not for long! They're down! Let's get inside! Help me get this open. Okay, we're in. So where the hell are those beacons?
Let's check the security cameras.
Guys, look. Beacons are tucked away in the capsule.
Yeah, but how do we get them out?
We could bring the arm around. There's a platform over there.
Worth a shot. Jack, see what you can do.
Centrifuge Bakian, Stoyemix.
Can't believe that knackered thing still works.
But it's not slowing down. Oi, what? What did you do?
This thing's older than you are, man. Jack's not a miracle worker.
What about an emergency brake?
Well, there's some controls in base.
Okay, they're active!
Hey, no difference to me. Delete these malfunctions.
Okay, now let's stop this thing. Help me! We gotta pull them together! What the hell? Why isn't this stopping?
Brakes might be toast. I don't know.
We'll have to discuss that later. Swarm! That's what you get.
Incoming frag!
Incoming frag!
Throwing grenade!
Frag out! Coming in!
Yeah, baby. Welcome to the blender. Frag out!
Target's down!
Watch out! It's speeding up! Over there! Snatcher! Oh shit! Take it out!
Or not. Well, that worked out, didn't it?
Maybe. We need Jack to verify the beacons are okay. Come on. Jack, tell me the beacons are fine. Oh, thank God. Paddock, Baird, beacons are secure. They're also a hell of a lot bigger than I was expecting. I don't think we have room for them all on the skiff.
I'll have my people transport them.
Fine, but Delta, I need one here ASAP to get a head start on calibrating them to our network in New Ephyra. Can you do that?
Yeah, I'll carry it to the skiff. Well, that's heavy.
All right, Baird, we're heading back. Paddock, send your people for the rest of these beacons when you can. Delta, let's get back to the skiff.
You know, if Paddock's sending folks out here, we should probably clear out the rest of the squad. He's lost enough people.
Yeah, sorry guys. I'm not gonna be much use in a firefight at the moment.
Stay close to me, mate. You're covered.
Okay, let's go.
JD, you good?
Yeah, just lead the way.
Well, Storm's no better. If anything, it's worse.
Too bad. We're going back into it. Okay, Delta. Our way out's on the other side.
We got swarm, people! Get behind those sand glass things! They're called Bogarite! Yeah, tomato, tomato! Gotta deal with those turrets! Guys, come on! That car's ripping us up!
Now come on, let's get inside! Ah, shit! The door's welded shut! Jack, rip the door and hurry! Yeah, this'll work.
Surprising no one, we got more swarm coming in!
Can we hold them off? We got Scion! And they got Bastions!
Not for long! Take him out!
They're down! And the door's open! Let's get our asses inside!
Okay, skiff's not much farther.
Yeah, easy for you to say.
JD, how's the beacon?
Not damaged. That's the important part.
Kinda relying on you to keep it safe.
Yeah, I get it. Fate of the world, no pressure.
Hear that? Storm's dying down.
Yeah, now that we're through it.
Come on, let's check on the skiff. Foss, Del. When do you get the other side? Come on, Delta. Let's get back to the skiff.
You know something, Kate? Pretty good at this military leadership thing.
I'm not trying to be good at anything.
Yeah, probably why you're good at it.
When we're done showing
The corporal compliments, we should decide whether we're heading straight back to the airfield or not.
Foz is right. Oh man, scenic into my soul.
Fortunately, it doesn't happen often. So there's one thing I don't get.
This wasn't UIR territory originally. So why'd they build their Hammer of Dawn program so close to the COG border?
Vascari technology, my friend. It's what we're known for. We invented the transistor, the microchip. Of course, while we were making the world a more civilized place, our neighbors were inventing tanks and rifles and missiles. I reckon the UIR moved in, found some lovely facilities and said, oh, hello, we'll take that, piss off, thanks. I mean, where's the most devious possible place to build
Build your super weapon? Right along your enemy's border. Brilliant, really. So are Paddock's nomads up to the task of hauling back the rest of those beacons? Yeah, I was wondering the same thing. And they seem pretty tough, but this desert's not forgiving. For anyone. Baird trusts Paddock, we trust Baird. So by the transitive property, we trust Paddock's nomads. The transitive what? Books, Boz. They're filled with valuable insights and concepts. And honestly, I wouldn't know.
How about this? We trust Paddock and his nomads till they give us a reason not to. And they haven't yet.
Works for me. I've noticed something, that the swarm seem different. Smarter, more cunning. Yeah, rocking spiffy new weapons and armor, too. Paddock warned us about that. Said it started happening like a few days ago.
When we were at Mount Kadar.
Wait, you don't think it's connected to...
To when they got their queen back? Yeah, I know it is. And it's only gonna get worse if we don't get the hammer back online.
Anfield's just ahead. Park the skiff as close as you can. That beacon's kinda heavy.
And so we meet again.
Let's get that thing to Baird.
Lead the way.
Paddock, where's Baird?
In back. He was explaining to me the new modification he made for your little bot frame. It was boring, so I came out here.
We should probably unload this targeting beacon ASAP.
And you think that's going to save
The world.
Baird, we're here with the beacon.
Excellent. I'll meet you. Set that targeting beacon down. I'll deal with it in a bit.
Gladly. Hey, Baird. Can we talk?
Yeah, listen, kid. You still got a rocket to launch, and I need to get back to New Ephyra.
Yeah, right. Of course.
JD, we're fine. I'm just working through it. We can talk later.
I appreciate that. Thanks.
Paddock said you were working on something?
Yeah, a new and improved shield prototype for Jack. Go ahead, install it.
Installed. Tell us about it.
It's actually very interesting. First, it creates an ionized vector.
Baird, cancel flight and get out here! Swarm coming in!
Short version, it stops bullets. Now get out there and use it!
Delta, come on!
Sick!
Shield!
Ah, success! On the very first test, too!
You never tested it?
Stay down!
You come into my house uninvited. You pay the price. We're not done! Everyone, get to the tarmac before Baird loses his ride home! They're right on top of us!
Better clear this tarmac or Bear's not going anywhere! Come on, Delta, don't let up!
Frag out! Stay down! That doesn't bust it!
One less.
Looks like they want you to stay, man!
No, ja, tu serwor wam! Fotopad! Rupudukty! Zahipoda dustekam! Zadebada! That doesn't bust it!
Okay. Airfield secure. Now Bear can get taken out of here.
Come on, we still have shit to do in this bloody desert.
All right, Delta. Back on the skiff.
So, are we back on task then? Let's hope so.
Children, more bad news, I'm afraid.
What is it now?
My people, transporting the other beacons. I need you to get to them immediately. Their convoy was attacked.
Where?
Close. Their last message was sent from the old city.
All right, we're on it.
Man, the Nomads cannot catch a break.
See that? Smoke up ahead! Shit. Yeah, it's a convoy, all right.
All right, Let's get in there and see what we can do.
Look! They're still fighting! We gotta help them! Another one of those bloody things!
All right, we're clear. Now let's check on the beacons. Oh, they don't look damaged.
Zaporopal, ekindur, eki. Ekindur,
Paddock, mate, you hearing this?
He says the beacons are safe. I'll send someone to pick them up now. And don't worry, they'll be well armed. So go, deal with your rocket.
All right, Delta out. All right, we're done here. Let's get back on the skiff.
I swear, we have to save these nomad skiffs one more time.
Hey, give him a break.
Delta, I'm heading out. I'll be in touch.
All right, Baird. Safe travels.
You too, and good luck.
So, what's the plan now?
The hangar. It's time to put that rocket together.
Sounds good to me. What about Paddock's nomads?
They have stuck their necks out for us. Maybe we owe them something for that.
Sure, but if we don't get our rocket launched soon, it's not just Paddock's nomads we'll be worrying about.
Head to the hangar. Let's put this rocket business to bed.
You know, I may have complained a bit.
Or a lot.
Or a lot, thank you, Del. But this has actually been a pretty ripping time, all in all. To sum it up, 8 out of 10. Would do it again.
And it's been surprisingly not terrible having you along.
Yeah, I'll take that, yeah.
Get the other side. Let's finish this. Paddock, we're back at the hangar. Everything should be ready.
Good. Baird left instructions he asked me to read you. And I quote, "Get inside, initiate the rocket assembly procedure, launch aforementioned rocket, and hope these satellites talk to ours." End quote.
Wait. Hope the satellites talk to ours?
What do you want from me? I can barely turn on a computer. Go press the button and see what happens.
Oh boy. You can understand why you never launched this rocket.